This is where we live. It's the old golf course right behind my house. My house is the one where all the dead hedges are. And I'm about to let Libby off to go play in the winter wonderland. She's sitting and sort of being good. Libby, sit. How rude. Sit. Wait. We'll go this way. Libby. She's trying to catch the snow. Okay. This is only her second romp in the snow. We had a snow in December for one day. It wasn't this much though. How fun. There's coyotes back here at night. Hopefully they're all sleeping now and they won't eat my puppy. That's it. Over and out.